Hello sweeties! I have Cuticula's May Subscription Box unboxing for you today, as well as some live swatches and a sneak peek at June's subscription box. This subscription consists of 2 mystery polishes, and the only hint you get to knowing what they may look like is from a themed graphic that Amanda shares within her Facebook fan group. However, she's now releasing spoilers in a monthly newsletter during the subscription window, so if you'd rather not be surprised, you can subscribe to her newsletter now, and the link for that is in my description box below. This is a spoiler video, so if you've yet to receive your May box and you don't want to see the polishes, I recommend leaving now. So May's theme was Zelda Dragons, and the spoiler we received in group was this image. Each duo comes in its own little black box with a hollow bow with a question mark on it, which I love, but I may be biased as I designed it for her. And each polish also comes in their own individual collector's box as well. First, we're going to start with Light Dragon. This is described as a soft aqua base with strong yellow shifting shimmer, yellow glass flakes, and silver holographic flakes. Shown here in 3 coats, dries with a small amount of texture, so a top coat is needed for a full glossy finish. First shown under studio lighting and then lower lighting. You can already see the strong yellow shift under the studio lighting, but it becomes much more amplified in the dark, almost like a lime green in the lower lighting. In here we have Dinrail scales. A fiery red base with an orange gold large particle shifting shimmer and holographic flakes for extra sparkle. Shown here in 2 coats, you may need 3 if you have a longer free edge, and it dries with a little bit of texture, so a top coat is needed for a full glossy finish. First shown under studio lighting and then lower lighting. Under the bright studio lighting, the red has a cooler tone to it, but once it's in the lower lighting, it becomes a much warmer red due to the orange gold shifts. So when I first seen the spoilers for this box last month, I thought for sure the red was going to be my favorite, and I was surprised by how much I actually loved the lighter one, since if you watch my videos enough, you know I lean more towards the darker shades, but Light Dragon is so freaking pretty and magical in person, and it's definitely my personal favorite. Which of the 2 is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. So just like with last month's reveal and unboxing video, I have the spoiler for this month's box, which is inspired by Alice in Wonderland. This June box is available to subscribe to now and closes on June 20th, so be sure to subscribe before then. Again, the link is in my description box. Okay, here's your last chance to close out if you don't want to see this month's subscription spoilers. This is Cheshire Cat Smile and Unbirthday, inspired by Alice in Wonderland. This one is a tough one for me to predict which will be my favorite one once I receive it, but I love the Cheshire Cat, so I'm going to guess it'll be that one, but we shall see. I'll leave a link in the description box below to where you can sign up for the Cuticula Monthly Subscription Boxes. Unfortunately, the May Zelda Dragons box is no longer available, but if you join the Cuticula Facebook fan group, you may get lucky with someone destashing it. As I stated earlier, the Alice in Wonderland box is still available to subscribe to until June 20th, and it retails for $24 plus $5 shipping for a total of $29 for 2 exclusive polishes. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!